Most adults over the age of 50 notice that their joints don't feel the same as they used to. Knees become stiff, hips feel heavy, and sometimes it seems like the body is simply rusting with age. Many people believe this is just an unavoidable part of getting older. But the truth is, much of this discomfort comes from how well your joints are nourished, especially how much collagen and joint-friendly nutrients your body actually gets. Today, I'm going to share 8 powerful foods that can help keep your joints flexible and strong. And here's something important. At the very end, I'll give you one simple exercise that doubles the benefits of these foods by improving blood flow directly to your knees and hips. So make sure to stay until the end. This combination is what really makes a difference. Let's begin with the first 4 foods. 1. Bone broth. For generations, bone broth has been used as a natural remedy for joint pain. When you simmer animal bones for hours, the broth is packed with collagen, gelatin, and minerals that directly support the tissues around your joints. Think of it as giving your body the raw materials it needs to rebuild the cushion between your bones. But here's something many people don't know. The way you cook it matters. Bone broth should be simmered slowly at a low temperature for at least 4 to 8 hours. And some people even cook it for 12 hours. This slow process allows the maximum amount of collagen and minerals to be released into the liquid. Once it's cooked, let it cool. Store it in the fridge and drink a warm cup once a day or a few times a week. Done this way, bone broth becomes one of the most powerful natural sources of joint support. 2. Salmon and fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids are powerful anti-inflammatories. Inflammation is one of the biggest reasons joints swell, ache, and feel stiff. Fatty fish, like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, help reduce this inflammation naturally. You don't need to eat fish every single day. 2 to 3 servings per week is enough for most people. This gives your body a steady supply of omega-3s without overloading your diet. And if you don't like fish, a high-quality fish oil supplement can provide similar benefits. What's important is that your body gets those healthy fats that keep your joints oiled and moving smoothly. Number 3. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are rich in vitamin C. This vitamin isn't just good for the immune system, it's essential for collagen production. Without enough vitamin C, your body struggles to build and repair joint tissue. Adding a daily serving of citrus fruit helps your body naturally maintain its supply of collagen. A simple glass of fresh orange juice in the morning, or half a grapefruit with breakfast, can make a noticeable difference over time. 4. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are loaded with antioxidants and vitamin K. Antioxidants fight the rusting effect that happens inside your joints, while vitamin K supports bone health. Strong bones mean less stress on your cartilage and ligaments. The best part is that leafy greens are easy to add to your diet. A salad, a smoothie, or even a side dish at dinner can give you a steady flow of these protective nutrients. Many older adults who start eating more greens report feeling lighter, with less pressure in their knees when they walk. So far, we've covered 4 of the most joint-friendly foods: bone broth, fatty fish, citrus fruits, and leafy greens. These foods provide collagen, healthy fats, and antioxidants that protect your joints from stiffness and inflammation. But we're only halfway through. In the next part, I'll share 4 more powerful foods that most people overlook, and then reveal that simple exercise I mentioned earlier. This exercise takes just a few minutes a day, but it helps your knees and hips absorb all the benefits from these foods much faster. Stay tuned, because the next step might surprise you. Let's go through the next 4 foods, because each one adds something special to keep your joints moving with less pain and more freedom. 5. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. They may be small, but they are packed with antioxidants, especially vitamin C and anthocyanins. These compounds fight inflammation and protect your cartilage from breaking down. Many people enjoy berries as a snack or blended into smoothies. The key is to make them a regular part of your diet, even just a handful a day. That steady supply of antioxidants helps your joints stay young from the inside out. 6. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are loaded with healthy fats, vitamin E, and minerals like magnesium. Vitamin E helps protect the outer layer of your joints from damage, while magnesium supports muscle function, which takes pressure off your joints. You don't need a large amount. Just a small handful of nuts or a spoonful of seeds sprinkled over oatmeal or salad can go a long way. They're an easy, simple way to give your joints daily support. 7. Olive oil. Olive oil is one of the healthiest fats you can use in the kitchen. It's rich in compounds called polyphenols that fight inflammation at the cellular level. People who use olive oil regularly instead of butter or processed oils often report less stiffness and more flexibility. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil on vegetables or salads can make your meals not only tastier, but also much healthier for your joints. The best part? It works silently in the background, protecting your joints every day. 8. Beans and lentils. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are fantastic plant-based sources of protein, fiber, and minerals. They also contain compounds that help reduce inflammation. Unlike red meat, which can sometimes trigger more joint pain, beans and lentils provide protein without adding stress to your body. A couple of servings a week, whether in soups, salads, or stews, is enough to keep your joints well-nourished. For many adults, replacing some meat with beans brings noticeable relief over time. Bonus: the simple exercise. Now, as promised, here's the simple exercise that can double the benefits of everything we just discussed. It's incredibly easy. Sit on a chair or a high bench and gently swing your legs back and forth. That's it. You're not putting weight on your knees, but you're getting your blood flowing. And when circulation improves, all those nutrients, collagen, vitamins, minerals, are delivered straight into your joints more effectively. Just a few minutes a day of this gentle movement can make a real difference. It's safe, it's simple, and it works especially well for people who can't do heavy exercise. Some closing message. So, here's the big picture. By adding these 8 foods to your weekly routine: bone broth, fatty fish, citrus fruits, leafy greens, berries, nuts and seeds, olive oil, and beans, and combining them with this simple leg-swinging exercise, you're giving your joints exactly what they need to stay strong and flexible. Age does not have to mean constant pain or stiffness. With the right foods and a little daily movement, you can support your joints and keep enjoying the activities you love. Take it step by step. Try adding 1 or 2 changes this week, and you'll notice over time that your body thanks you for it.